Hey guys, I'm back. Yeah, I'm a game bit. Select the game. You have to press Y and you fly. Press R to continue the game. And let's go. See if we can get this done. Ooh, here's what you can done. That's nice. So let's see what's in the game. Great. I guess that's signal. Oh, that's a shield. What? No. 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 Um, okay. Cheese cake, cheesecake, meat on my. See if he writes back. Sorry for keeping my mouth shut. I like 2 minutes of time. Let's fly up into my ship and then my ship gets it fly up here. Um, so we are on this. These are on the planet. He suggests we play vehicle sim. Okay. So viewers, um, I'll just be a sim. We're just gonna play this okay? Because we're like Star Wars people. Well, I am at least. So let's. Okay, he suggests that I go on first. So let's let's this. Oh, Puggy. And yeah, that's my boy. Yes, I record with Screencast-O-Matic. You should use it. The audio isn't very good, so yeah. But let's go into vehicle sim. Just keep waiting. Just keep waiting. Here's vehicle simulator. One of the most top islands. Apparently, snow shoveling simulator. Okay, so let's do this. Vehicle sim. Now, most of my videos aren't popping up on YouTube. But that's sad. Yeah, it is sad. But see, I have this really cool car, so you get to see it in a few short clips. Um, there's this real I got to. Yet my friend Cheesecake the Savage has a better one. Obviously, been playing more than me. I'm just beginning, so yeah. Come on, second wild load, so I'll see you when it opens up. Okay, goodbye. Yo, dog. Okay, so we're back. I'm just saying that to we're back and let's do the beach dance. Wait, dance, okay? Slash E dance. Let's go. Let's go. Go. Ooh, oh, pink. Oh, look at that. Pink. It's 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 pink. Oh, Let's go. So we are gonna get our phones and spawn up our. Yep, that's his. This is my one. He changed the color. I can't believe it. Hang on here, man. That's that and that. That. So here's mine. It is very cool. That's his. Cheesecake sandwiches. And let's go chasing some. Mine is very slow. Just do donuts. Get mine. Unlimited donuts. You're gonna be chasing them down with a very fast car. Um, yes, donuts. 3, 2, 1, 1. Not working. There we go. Donut. I do donuts for donuts. Not every day, like. So we're just gonna wait for him until he pops out and stop. It's not sure. So let's just keep looking. But maybe see. Oh, God, no, I see you when he pops out. Okay, so I'm back. Whoa, pause, and game's been back. Whoa, there's Cheesecake Savage. He went down there. That's like, nice. God, whoa, this game is really good, Jack. Click, please. Where is it? It looks so. Hello, where are you? Oh, okay. Go slow. Oh, come on. I'm looking great. There he is. I'm going. Game, game. There we go. I'm going to the beat. I was going to say that was why I was looking for the glitch. Oh, the beat. Right. Well, no, I can't. I stop pressing it. No, 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 no. Oh, I'm stuck in water. One time. It's coming out of the water. I'm click. That's not what. Get my. I need to get my vehicle. Highlight. Get speed. Oh, there is down. There is. Um. Uh. What? Oh, I see now. Oh, what am I on? 1, 2. Yep. Oh, get up. Oh my God, my game's glitching. I'll see you when I'm finish this. Still not happen. Okay, we're out. And we're out before the cheesecake savage come pick me up. So thanks, and I'll see you in the apartment. I'll see. Those who can't hear me, I will see you in the apartment. Meant. Oh god. Okay, guys. Oh, it doesn't spell it right. Okay, bye. Hey guys. So we're in the apartment. Oh god. Oh, oh, oh. Here we are. How about we both dance, eh? I'm White Skin. I'm Mr. White Skin. Hello, Mr. White Skin. So me dancing, God. Me too. Now let's play in the water, shall we? Play in the water. You are a disco god, aren't you? The secret says yes, and if it does, I'll see you at the water. I'm constantly doing this. Okay, so we'll see you at the water. Hey guys, we're back and we are on our boat. What? That's not Cheesecake Savages, I don't know what. Oh, what? Oh my god. Way to end the video. Titanic. Oh yeah, the thing. We call it the thing that sticks up. So, whoa, the map can fall off the map. That's bad. I don't like how that is. 3, 2, 1. Remember me. Oh, oh, can we make it move? Uh, it's trying to say goodbye. Good boy. Say goodbye. Bye. Bye, guys. Now she's so thanks. Yeah, so guys, if you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe and join. Okay, bye.